this was planned as a book launch, and if you haven't figured out, I'm on a bit of a vendetta to change an entire industry and empower business owners. However, Mother Nature and God had a bit of a different plan. So I promise you a book launch. 1 book. 2 books. Book launch done. We decided we were going to change the theme and actually try to impact the community. Is everybody ready for my challenge? Sonia and I have agreed that we're going to put up $10,000 of our own money for the charity. However, as a match, I want you to take every damn penny of my $10,000 and then some. We'll match more. Got it, guys? And please share it with your networks.